Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Thank you for joining me. Look at this data carefully. The data is listed in Microsoft Excel worksheet. This data is actually the sale of a Subway restaurant store number 67232. It's a real data. It's a real data for the month of March 19. You can see this is the gross sale, credit card sale, and food panda sale. And here is the total of paid out expenses of the day, and this is, you can see that the day is March 1 2019. This is the data that we'll be recording in Quickbook. For each of this sale we'll create invoice. For example, this is gross sale, here is a credit card sale, this is also a credit sale. A sale is done by Food Panda website. We'll separate sales tax from these. Here is a sales tax separated. 39495 is the figure of cash sales, and 15266 is also included sales tax. So we'll be also separate sales tax from this, and then we'll enter the net sale in the invoice of the Quickbook, because the Quickbook will generate sales tax by itself. This is why we are first of all calculating and getting the value of net sales, net cash sales, net credit sales, and also net food panda sale. We'll be entering in Quickbook net sale, and Quickbook then apply a particular sale tax on invoice, and we'll get this total value of a cash sale including sales tax. We'll get this value. So this is these are the sales, paid out, cash in hand, and banking detail, so on and so forth. This is the sales section. Here is a section which is called a paid out detail section. Look at this. In the 1st March 2019, vegetable are bought of 390 rupees. Lettuce head is also vegetable. It is also bought of 2160 rupees. Pepsi Cola is bought of 4114. These are the actually purchase stock item bought in on cash and paid out. And here is the 250 small expenses. Such expenses of the day, for example, 170 rupees stationery, and POS rolls is also a stationery item. Conveyance of 380 rupees, salary of 500 rupees, salary paid of 500 rupees. So this is the data that we'll be recording. Here is the data full month March of 2019, from 1st March to 31 March 2019. Here is the total of the data. You can see here is the summary of sale. This can be entered as an invoice, the total sale of the month, but we are not going to enter the total sale. Instead, we will be entering the sale of every day. Every day we will be making 3 invoice of sale: cash sale, credit sale, and food panda sale. So carefully look at this data. If you have any question, write to me in the comments. I will explain it and I will answer it. Those who are related to the profession of accounts, this is the data of Subway fast food restaurant. So it would be very helpful for such people who are related with this field of the accounting. Thank you for joining me in this video. See you in the next video.